How can I find my foundation in a crawl space? Your neighbors tell you that you might want to have your crawl space foundation checked out because he had some work on his and the houses were built at the same time. Stay tuned to hear how to find the foundation in your crawl space. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Crawl spaces are an enigma to many homeowners, so finding the crawl space foundation can be a challenge. In this video, I'll tell you where to look for your crawl space entrance, what a foundation wall looks like, and how can a house have a basement with a crawl space. Before we go further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. Where can I find my crawl space entrance? So you have a couple different entrances types to a crawl space. One, it could be in a closet from the inside of your home where there's just a piece of subfloor. Maybe they've cut the carpet out and just left it on top of that cardboard. And so you can go around to your closets, look for something that doesn't fit, right? The carpet that's got a square cut out, something like that. That can be an access to your crawl space. But the first place I would check is just on the outside of your home. Walk around, you're usually going to have an entry well that sticks out a couple foot away from the home with a steel door that's latched. Or maybe you even have kind of a wooden cover over this entrance. Something like that's going to stick out, and that's going to be the access into your crawl space. So when we talk about foundations in a crawl space, what we're talking about is the exterior foundations and foundation walls. So this is going to be on the outside of the footprint of your home. These are going to be made up of brick, stone, concrete cinder block, or poured concrete. It's not your main beam running through the middle of your home that's got wood. That's not what we're talking about when we're talking about foundation. It's that exterior wall, and it's as far as you can go in your crawl space. You have a basement, and then you might have a partial small crawl space right behind your garage, just because the way the home was built out, maybe the footprint didn't make sense to make that into a full basement, and so you just have a crawl space there. Some homes are just half basements, half crawl space, or even a cellar in the middle to put the mechanical items of your home in, and then you've got crawl spaces all around it. And so you can have both of these things, and so you want to make sure that you're looking at foundations, you're looking at moisture problems, or even bowing walls in both of those spaces, because the water in the ground or the soil components that your home is built on can affect these spaces differently. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your crawl space? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.